from Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Recently, I completed my bachelor's degree in Electronics and Communication Department from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering and Technology in the year 2025. After completing my BTech, I was about to join in any institute. I was searching online. There, I came to know about PySpiders Training Institute, so I joined in PySpiders BTM. And after I joined here, I came to know about like a friendly trainers and how they teach properly, and they'll clear doubts in a polite way. After coming here, I met with Nishan sir. I think he's a great mentor, not only as per the like studies and also for personal life. He guided me very well. And along with Ishan sir, Rahul sir, and Sneha ma'am, and Santosh sir, they helped me in programming and machine learning. I think I have learned a lot here after joining here. And HRs here are very helpful. They will add for companies and they will share the details regularly.